How to fix the iPhone screen glitching or flickering. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Screen glitches can be caused due to software issues, hardware problems, or even external interference. So, in this case, first of all, sometimes a simple restart can also fix the temporary glitches. For this, press and hold the side or the top button until the slider appears. Second, you need to check for the software updates. Apple frequently releases the updates that fix bugs. In order to do so, head over to Device Settings, go to General, and tap on Software Updates. If any update is available, tap on Download and Install. Sometimes, if the screen is unresponsive or flickering constantly, you need to force restart. To do so in iPhone 8 and later, you quickly need to press the volume up button, then volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once force restarted, you can adjust the display settings. Sometimes a certain display setting can trigger flickering. For this, go to Settings and tap on Accessibility. Now from there, tap on Motion. Once you tap on motion, toggle on the option of reduce motion. Once you do so, head back to the previous page of settings and search for display and brightness. Once you head over to display and brightness, make sure to adjust the brightness or toggle on the option of true tone and night shift. Sometimes an app might be causing flickering. To check for this, close all apps. Swipe from the bottom or double click on Home to access the app switcher and swipe away all the apps. Now reopen app one by one to see if a specific app triggers the glitch. However, if nothing works, you'll have to reset all settings. To do so, go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. After this, your issue should be fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.